So I'm moving on to my next topic, that is PowerPoint, and my questions are: what is transition, animation, and how we can make our presentation loop continue? To auto start PowerPoint presentation, what should we do? And the final one, fifth one, is what is the shortcut for PowerPoint presentation? So let's get started. I've just took my presentation for my business talent project. I'm going to use it here for just to explain some of the functions. I'm going to start with transition. So this one is quite used by everybody almost to make the presentation look little interesting or engaging. Basically, we have a lot of options here in transition: cut, fade, push, wipe. As you can see, there are going to be different effects on a different horizons. Let's select okay. In transitions we have three dynamics. Number one is subtle, number second it is exciting, and number third is dynamic. For the office presentations or for school presentations, I would always suggest to go for subtle, or even you can go for a little exciting, but to be little mature and presentable, I would my personal choice would be always go for subtle, because that are more engaging and mature to present. So for the very first slide, I have chosen split. Let's go to the next slide. I'm going to choose here from the second option, let's say dissolve, or maybe blinds. As you can see, the difference between the subtle and the exciting option, that it has high in volume and in subtle. So let's go for shred, where you can clearly see the difference between subtle and exciting options. Okay, so with these transitions, we can also add sound from here and duration of the slide for that sound, or we have in advanced slide options that on a mouse click we can check it, or even on uncheck it. That means on our click of mouse we can change the slide. Okay, now here you can say we want to change a slide after this much seconds or this much minutes, or you can specify each and every need accordingly here. Okay, I'm done with transition here. I'm moving on to animations. That is very fun again. So let's say the difference between transition and animation is animations are used for basically pictures, objects, a letter, text, basically any text box or any pictures which are given in the slide, or graphics basically. So as transition can be applied only once on one slide, but for as animations, let's select this. As you can see, it got activated, and now we can choose as many as animations we want. In entrance we have fade, we have fly in, float in. So let's put some animations. Let's give it one more. I would say wheel. And by clicking on preview, which is right here, you can always see what you have just applied or how it looks. Okay, this one right here shows that I have for now applied more than one animation here. I would like to go for another one. Let's say I would want to go for lighten, or let's go more crazy with bounce. So you can apply as many animations as you want depending on the need of the presentation, or you want to make it little exciting. If it is for kindergarten students, or even if it is for university students, depending on the need of the situation and the topic. So that's how animation works. To see how does our presentation looks from the beginning, from the very first slide, we're going to press this slideshow right here button, click on it, and we're going to see how does it look. The first transition, and our animation.